Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today with this really cute shaggy hairstyle. She switches it up with this beautiful shaggy pixie. Loving this. This definitely has a strong retro vibe to it that I think would be really cute for the fall season ahead. Next up, we have another pixie haircut. So this one features a really pretty, unique pink color. It's kind of like a fuchsia mix. Loving the bangs in the front, the undercut on the side. So chic and fun. Next up, we have someone rocking out one of the hottest hair color trends for this fall. And it has been for quite a few seasons, and that is like this really pretty auburn shade. Looks like the stylist is cutting off her hair. Nice amount of length that she cut here, and ooh, wow, look at this beautiful bob. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the tousled curls. So next up, we have someone with super long waist length hair. The stylist places it in a ponytail, grabs those clippers. Cuts that ponytail right off into a fun little chic shaggy pixie once again. I love this. So much texture in this cut. Very cute. And then we have another pixie hairstyle. This one features some longer sideburns and bangs in the front. And then we have a long too short. So the stylist is just chopping that hair right off. She does a nice mid-length cut here. Oh, so this might be a bit of a dramatic one. So she is just cutting that hair. Oh, she's going super short too. Oh, she's doing a buzz cut. Oh, she looks beautiful. Alright, so next up we have someone that looks like she has some grown out color here. She gets a color refresh and a nice little mini bob with bangs. Very cute, fresh style for the fall season. Gorgeous. So here we have someone, she is rocking out this really pretty reddish color as well to her strands. She cuts off the hair and goes purple. Ooh, beautiful platinum cuts with the waves. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I just love this color. This is such a beautiful hair shade. I feel like you could wear it all year round. And it works with so many different complexions. And then next up we have another pixie. This is of the longer variety. Very nice shape here. We have a color change in the works. Beautiful pinkish shade. I feel like this is the perfect color pink for her complexion. Gorgeous, spot on color by the stylist. So here we have another long to short. Ooh, beautiful pixie. Loving the results. Oh, I love her color. Beautiful copper tone. Perfect for the fall. Flawless transformation. And she's got a bit of layers in there too. A hair makeover we all love doing. So she went super short with the pixie, boy cut pixie style. And then we got a nice fresh bob here. Perfect for the fall season. And we got somebody rocking out a longer pixie. So it looks like she is doing some styling here. Loving the color of her hair. It's like this really pretty reddish brown. She's adding some texture to her strands, giving it that messy, chic feel. And we have a cute pixie cut here, asymmetrical.